Hello, hello. This is the my Audible episode number 2867. Today's date is 16th of April 2023. It's almost like a night at 9:40 p.m. Okay, so what exactly happened today? Nothing really happened. Yeah, today I wake up. Okay, I have to record my gameplay. So I was actually deciding that which gameplay should I record. I was deciding that car for sale simulator I should have to upload this game, but like there is nothing really like the game that I have, like a car for sale simulator is a kind of like a something really very buggy game. Okay, yeah, the game is actually upgraded, but I am using the torrent files na. So these torrent file are way much older, so that's why the game that I have right now is like very buggy. I can't even save. Sometimes game hang. I won't even play this game properly. I thought that it not gonna work out, so I just have to buy this game. Okay, yeah. So I went to the Steam, look for that Steam, and this game is cost me almost like a 450 rupees. That is good. But still, uh, I I didn't really purchase this game. Okay, I I don't know. Okay, I will purchase maybe tonight or after this. I don't know. Okay, but dude, yeah, it's just really essential. This game is really essential. You have to purchase this game. I know, but yeah, I will definitely do that. It's really essential. But yeah, then I went to the YouTube studio, look for that key. Like what is my viewer wanted to watch video. So most of the people are recommend Akinator because the last video that I uploaded is a Akinator, and most of the people are really connect with that. So I just wanted to continue this. So today I play Akinator game with a very simple game. Okay, with 60 minutes of recording. It's really cool. Okay, this video will be done by tomorrow. It's not really that much hard. Okay, and yeah, okay. uh, the things are bit really common. Okay, like today I record gameplay, everything is done. Okay, I haven't even started editing. I decided that after the workout I will start edit, but I'm actually watching this movie. Okay, like I don't know, today I'm being really procrastinate. No, not procrastinate, but I don't know, dude. Okay, like I know that this video will not take that much time for 2 3 days. Okay, it will be done by 2 days. Okay, yeah, but like basically na, if I just like that na, कभी कभी क्या होता है ना कि sometimes you just have to take little bit break. Okay, like you know that you are doing procrastination. I know, but sometimes na, dude, yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Okay, just like that na कि I just wanted to make video as good as possible as I can. Okay, and for that video requires some sort of time and effort. I will definitely give those times. Okay, and like basically, yeah, in the end, the matter is the video quality. Okay, so I just wanted to make good quality video, but I don't want it to kind of like a something really take too much amount of time, like a 7 days. No, no, no. I will take time, but not that take time. Look, I will definitely upload video consistently, but I have to be more focused that the video I will make is as good as possible as I can. Alright. Yeah. So, like basically, today, like after the workout, I supposed to start edit, but I haven't really started it because I'm watching this movie. But this movie is also really amazing. Okay, it actually open up some sort of perspective, thought process about the human and things like that. Like I don't know how should I explain this thing. Like like in India, may yeah, in India we don't really have that much kind of like a something really criticism. Sorry, we don't like discrimination. We don't really have that. Okay, like black people, white people. We don't know that. we don't really have in India, because the basically every Indian color, male or female, whatever, it's a little bit of saura. Okay, it's not gora, it's not black, it's a little bit of in between. Okay, it's a we called it saura ranga. Okay, uh, but in the Europe or US, like they have like some uh, basically this is actually a color discrimination is actually happen in Europe and US. Okay, why Europe and US? Like basically the color discrimination people, like the rest of the continent didn't really have that. Okay, like a black people can found in China, India, Japan, in anywhere in Asian country, Africa. Yeah, Africa is actually meant for all those black people. Okay, in South America. Yeah, so why discrimination is actually happened in US and Europe? Why? Because like that na ki actually the develop, like the perspective or perception of the human is that ki white is better than black. Yeah, I'm not talking about skin color, I'm talking about just a color. Like black is pure. Like when you imagine an angel, the angel look like white. Angel should not be look black. A monster look like little bit of dark, little bit of black. It should not look white. This is kind of like something really perception we have. Like sky, blue sky, white sky, like this color, like this is the white or something like that. It's a kind of like a something really that pop up. It actually just like bright color, dark, and brown. Those are the color are kind of like a. I'm talking about color, just a color. Okay, so dark and black is actually meant for something really not so bright color. Okay, not so bright means like that ki, like our emotions are actually changed according to the colors. All right. Okay, so let's talk about this color discrimination. So usually color people, like a black people and white people, discrimination is always be there. Okay, always be there. Like in India, when England people, the Britisher was in our India and they are actually ruling the entire India. Most of the Indian people are actually worker, are actually kind of like something really servant in their Britishers home. Okay, so as actually is that ki, according to the perception we have, white color is a bright color, black color is really not good color. This perception of the color is actually act kind of like a very similar to according to the people too. Like basically there is a white guy is good guy, is a black guy is not good guy. Even if don't know anything about those people, you don't know anything at all, you are just comparing according to the color. Okay, and you are thinking that ki white color, that white man is good but black man is not good. So we have that much perception. Okay, Europe and US are like basically the origin, the European people doesn't really have black kind of skin color. No, they didn't really have it. Okay, like a Europe, like basically in India, the the origin color, like basically like कहते हैं ना कि what is the default color, default skin color. So in India we have kind of like a something really sour. Okay, yeah. In Africa the origin color is a black. Okay, yeah, it's like people are usually you can found a black. Europe is actually a little bit of white. US is actually a little bit of white. Chinese is also a little bit of white. Yeah. Why is that? Because the these continent are actually placed at some certain degree at some certain places where the temperature of the earth is matter. Like basically, if you are live in very cold area, your skin color became little bit of bright. Okay. And if you are live in a kind of like a something really very the sunlight was came too much, the heat was too much, then your skin color became little bit of dark. Okay, so this is kind of like a something really perception. So African people usually face too much amount of sun because Africa continent is actually in the equator. All right, so most of the people in Africa are black. Okay, our India is kind of like a something really above the equator. Okay, but we also face very big sunlight, so that's why we have little bit of savra color. Okay, then Russia, China is actually our north block. Like basically, entire continent, entire planet, most of the land is actually on north block, not a south. Like north hemisphere, साउथ हेमिस्फीयर. साउथ हेमिस्फीयर में इक्वेटर के नीचे कंट्रीज आते हैं. इक्वेटर के नीचे बहुत कम कंट्रीज आती है. मोस्ट ऑफ द अफ्रीकन कंट्री एंड साउथ अमेरिका कंट्री. दैट्स इट. ओके, जो नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर में बहुत सारे कंट्रीज आते हैं. ओके, लाइक एंटायर यूरोप, यूएस, देन आइसलैंड, ग्रीनलैंड, एंटायर रशिया, चाइना, इवन इंडिया. पूर्ण एशियन टेक्टोनिक प्लेट इज एक्चुअली ऑन अपर is actually on northern hemisphere. Okay, so like basically Africa, South America, and Australia, then some of the countries yeah, Antarctica is also kind of like a something really, but Antarctica should not count as a, like it count, but the what I'm trying to tell you, the people are live in such a particular continent have a kind of like a impact on their temperature, on their skin. Like African people look black, European people look white. So what I'm trying to tell you now, usually their origin, the European origin has a white color. US origin is also white color, but in the US, there is no human in US. Like in the United States doesn't really have any kind of like a something really history or anything like that. Okay, because humans won't really born, like didn't really born in United States. I'm not talking about United States. Before that it was kind of like a something really North America. In North America didn't really have anyone, any human in there. The first America, the America is actually found by the Columbus, yeah, at some certain era. I don't know the exact year. Okay, so basically America is actually found by the people. Okay, and then most of the European people went to the uh, United North America, and they actually do some sort of things and वगैरह वगैरह. तो फिर राज्य क्रांति, then all those things. All right, so what I'm trying to tell you कि usually for the developed countries we have kind of like a something really, अगर आप कहते हो ना कि सबसे दुनिया में सबसे डेवलप कंट्रीज कौन है, so most of the people say Europe, then US. Okay, then China, then some people say India वगैरह वगैरह. Some people have some sort of knowledge, they will say हाँ ये countries है. But most of the people, as a common person perspective, most of the people say US, Europe is actually very developed area. Okay, also in the US, like if you say how is US citizen look like, you actually draw a kind of like some sort of white person guy. Okay, you haven't seen the US citizen, you don't know, but you kind of like imagine that कि हाँ चलो ये US का है या यूरोप का है. Can you imagine a black guy is a US citizen? Can you imagine that? Yeah, I can imagine that. Yeah, but हमारा perception उस तरह से बैठ नहीं पाता है. like human mind is not really connect as a black person as a US citizen or Europe citizen. Okay, so usually हम एक ब्लैक पर्सन को रेफर करते हैं as a kind of like a he comes from Africa or some sort of things, or maybe like a African American or African European वगैरह वगैरह. So we are actually thinking that way. So हमारा परसेप्शन ही स्टार्ट होता है डिस्क्रिमिनेशन से. ओके, हम जब उस बंदे को देखते हैं वो बंदे का रंग काला है, सो बेसिकली दिस गाय इज नॉट, हम वो शब्द जोड़ देते हैं अफ्रीकन अमेरिकन और अफ्रीकन यूरोपियन और व्हाटएवर इट इज. ओके, हम एक तरह से वो परसेप्शन जोड़ देते हैं कि ही इज नॉट बिलोंग्स टू हियर. ओके, हम एक तरह से वो परसेप्शन जोड़ लेते हैं. नाउ क्रिटिसिज्म इज एक्चुअली स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम हियर. अब यहाँ पे चीज़ें चेंज होना शुरू हो जाती है. सो बेसिकली इज दैट कि फ्रॉम ऑलमोस्ट लाइक hundreds of year ago, thousands of year ago, as a black people, like most of the white people are actually above the black people. Okay, but still the world changed and everything changed, somehow something happened. But yeah, from the entire hundreds and thousands of year, black people, I'm not kind of like some sort of criticizing, but yeah, as a black people is actually feels like that कि हमें इस तरह से ट्रीट किया जाता है, एंड वाइट भी, एंड दे ऑलवेज ट्रीट सम सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग्स लाइक दैट एज अ criticism everything. I don't know yaar dude, like I won't be able to put gravity on this sentence. Why? Because of that कि I haven't really feel such a thing dude. Like I don't know any about the color criticism and everything, because like in India ना, हमारे इंडिया में नहीं होता है. ओके, हमारे इंडिया में बिल्कुल भी नहीं होता है. अगर एक काला आदमी या लाइक मेरा एक दोस्त है, ओके, राहुल, ही इज़ अ ब्लैक. माई फादर इज़ अ ब्लैक. ओके, मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल आई नो आर ब्लैक. ओके, सो आई एम ऑल्सो ए ब्लैक. ओके, लाइक बेसिकली वी हैव सम सॉर्ट ऑफ सावला रंग. सो या, okay, so it's just like that na. In India we don't really have that much criticism, color discrimination. Okay, so I didn't really connect with that. Like I can put the gravity, like basically the things required for color discrimination and things like it is way much na dude. Yeah, like this movie is actually represent this thing very properly, like what is actually black people, what is actually they are been through. क्योंकि almost like a 2 year ago there is a case happened, okay, where the police guy is actually the police is actually check, like they have to control law and order. So what does they do? They have to, like if they suspect that ki this black guy might be kind of like a really wrong for the society. So उस वाइट पुलिसमैन ने क्या किया, उस ब्लैक वाले बंदे को पकड़ा. ओके, उससे पूछा कहाँ से आए हो वगैरह वगैरह एवरीथिंग, और वहाँ पे कुछ अनबन हो गई. ओके, अकॉर्डिंग दिस ब्लैक गाय एंड दिस वाइट पुलिसमैन. फिर उसके बाद क्या हुआ कि उस वाइट पुलिसमैन ने, like he has a power, he has authority to punish that guy, punish that black guy, because he's a cop, he's a police officer. Okay, so what does he did is that कि उसने उस ब्लैक आदमी के नेक पे, यानी ये गले पे पैर रख दिया, जिस वजह से वो सांस नहीं ले पा रहा था. he was saying that कि I can't breathe, but उसने एक भी बात नहीं सुनी, एंड देन दैट पर्सन डाइड. ओके, क्यों मरा वो इंसान? भाई दिस उसका नाम जॉर्ज फ्लॉयड था. वाई दिस ब्लैक मैन डेड? वो क्यों मर गया? दिस इज गाय इज एक्चुअली डेड बिकॉज ऑफ उसका रंग. लाइक दिस गाय इज एक्चुअली डेड बिकॉज ऑफ हिज कलर. या लाइक इन द एंड ना, देयर आर सो मेनी पॉसिबिलिटी. हाँ, ये हुआ वो हुआ वगैरह वगैरह, बट इन द एंड there is only one reason that why that person dead is just because he is a black. उसका रंग काला था. Is it actually? Yeah, और ये अभी भी होता है. और ये and why we actually like a think that way, because of that कि हमारा दिमाग एक तरह से ग्रो हुआ है कम्युनिटी के थ्रू. हम कभी अकेले ग्रो नहीं हुए. Like a human is not actually grow by themselves. No, human is actually grow by the community. Okay. जब आप एक कम्युनिटी में रहते हो तब आपको एक कम्युनिटी से आप यू डोंट नो दैट पर्सन. ओके, लाइक देयर इज अ गाय हु इज एक्चुअली क्रॉसिंग द रोड. आई डोंट नो दैट पर्सन. मैं उसको जानता नहीं, वो मुझे जानता नहीं, बट समहाउ वी आर एक्चुअली कनेक्टेड. व्हाई? हमारा रंग काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग रियली सेम. आई डोंट नो नेम एनीथिंग एट ऑल, बट स्टिल वी फील दैट कि हाँ ये मेरे कम्युनिटी का इंसान है. ओके, चलो मान लेते हैं फिर एक चाइनीज़ बंदा आ जाता है. योर ब्रेन इज क्विकली अलर्ट दैट गाय कि ये कौन है, क्योंकि ये हमारे कम्युनिटी का तो हिस्सा नहीं है. ओके, वाई? बिकॉज उसकी शक्ल देखो यार, ही इज़ लुक वाइट, ही इज़ डेफिनेटली नॉट फ्रॉम अवर कम्युनिटी. ओके, हम उसके प्रेफरेंस से चीज़ों को समझ पाते हैं और जज कर लेते हैं कि ही इज़ नॉट फ्रॉम अवर कम्युनिटी. ओके, सो वो अपने दिमाग में अपने आप फील हो जाता है. ओके, या बिकॉज वी ग्रो एज अ कम्युनिटी एंड एज अ कम्युनिटी फाउंड सम सॉर्ट ऑफ थ्रेट और सम सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग, our brain is alert automatically and we are started investigating that कि who is that guy, कौन है ये, कहाँ से आया है, इधर क्या कर रहा है, वगैरह वगैरह. Even if that person doesn't really have any hazard to the community, anything at all, he's come in peace and he will go come in peace, that's it, that's fine. Okay, but still हमारा दिमाग उसके बारे में सोचने लगता है कि who is that guy, ये कौन है, ये इधर आया है. Okay, this is the same thing happened on US and Europe. क्योंकि US and Europe में यूजुअली लोग एक तरह से वाइट पीपल है, मोस्ट ऑफ पीपल आर वाइट, एंड सडनली दे सॉ अ ब्लैक गाय विच इज़ एक्चुअली एंड ही इज़ लिविंग विद अस. सो इट्स काइंड ऑफ लाइक इन द कम्युनिटी वी फील लिटिल बिट ऑफ थ्रेट इवन इफ दैट पर्सन वॉज रियली गुड. बट इवन इफ लाइक हम सोचने लगते कि ये बंदा थ्रेट है. सो अनइंटेंशनली वी आर स्टार्टेड इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग दैट गाय, हु इज़ दैट गाय, व्हाट इज़ दैट गाय, वगैरह वगैरह. अभी ये इन्वेस्टिगेशन एक नॉर्मल पर्सपेक्टिव से, एक नॉर्मल पर्सन से एक नॉर्मल हो सकता है, बट अगर आपके पास पावर आ जाए तो लाइक इफ़ यू आर कॉप, इफ़ यू आर पुलिस ऑफिसर, देन ऑब्वियसली आप बहुत सारी चीज़ें, यू हैव अथॉरिटी टू अरेस्ट दैट पर्सन, यू हैव अथॉरिटी टू शूट दैट पर्सन, यू हैव अथॉरिटी टू just do whatever because you have a power, because you are a cop. Okay, so usually same thing happen with this thing. Okay, आपको चीज़ों को like this is actually is this thing. तो इसका solution क्या है? Like this color discrimination is actually happening. What is actually the solution? Community is actually change according to the time, and it will take time. The solution regarding this problem is time. क्योंकि like basically almost like a 50 year ago or maybe 100 years ago, okay, we didn't really have, as a human don't really have any kind of like something really equipment so that a person can travel from one continent to another continent. We don't really have it. In human history from last 50 years, we have that kind of like something really privilege that we can go from one continent to another continent. If you take this thing behind this 50 year, like how many like millions of people as a human lives in this planet, and people can travel continent which is actually happened 50 year ago. So it will take time, it will definitely take time. Like basically if the African people is went to the US, Europe, Chinese, whatever it is, okay, उसको थोड़ा वक्त लगेगा चीज़ों को संभालने में. ओके, नॉट ओनली दैट पर्सन, ऑल्सो विद दैट कम्युनिटी, क्योंकि उस कम्युनिटी को भी उस बंदे को डाइजेस्ट करना पड़ेगा कि हाँ चलो ये बंदा है, आई वील ही इज़ ऑल्सो ए पार्ट ऑफ द कम्युनिटी. हाँ, ये थोड़ा सा अलग दिखता है, बट या इट्स गुड, इज़ ग्रेट, दैट गाय इज़ गुड. थोड़ा सा वक्त लगता है, चेंज होता है, धीरे धीरे होता है, इट विल टेक टाइम. ओके. एंड राइट नाउ वी हैव सो मच इन्फ्लुएंस, लाइक हमारे फिल्म में, मूवीज़ में हम ब्लैक पीपल को इंक्लूड करते ताकि वो एक पार्ट ऑफ द कम्युनिटी बने. इन यूएस में होता है, यूएस दे हैव अ राइट टू डू सच थिंग वगैरह वगैरह, बट स्टिल इट टेक टाइम. कलर क्रिटिसिज्म, कलर वगैरह वगैरह, ये सारी चीज़ें डेफिनेटली इट विल टेक टाइम. थोड़ा सा टाइम लगेगा, बट या यस. But this movie is actually really good according to the way that it tells the information. Okay, like basically the things that I tell you right now, which is actually kind of like a something really human perspective regarding the uh, skin color. Okay, एक एक चमड़ी का रंग कैसे होता है और उससे इंसान किस तरह से डिसीजन ले पाता है. आई एक्चुअली टेल दिस थिंग in a movie. They explain a lot regarding color, regarding discrimination, regarding thought process of the people, what they think about the black people and white people. Yeah. But US or Europe में क्यों है dude? यार US and Europe are actually kind of like a very developed cities or developed countries. Okay, develop है वो. अगर like चाइना इज ऑल्सो वेरी डेवलप कंट्री. ओके, चाइना में कोई कलर क्रिटिज्म नहीं है ना. वाई? बिकॉज ऑफ दैट कि यूजुअली मोस्ट ऑफ द अफ्रीकन चूज यूएस एंड यूरोप. दे डिडंट रियली चूज चाइना. एंड इफ दे चूज अ चाइना, ओके, चाइना में बहुत कम अफ्रीकन चाइनीज लोग हैं, वहाँ पे बहुत कम है. और जो भी है उनको ऐसा कोई भी लाइक दे डिडंट रियली फील एनीथिंग काइंड ऑफ लाइक दैट, because they are actually very like very welcoming. Okay, like I'm not talking about the Chinese government, I'm talking about the Chinese people, and Chinese people are very polite, very polite. The way that they greet and everything was really good. Okay, so usually they actually welcome. इंडिया में अगर कोई एक ब्लैक आदमी आ जाता है ना, ही वॉज एक्चुअली लाइक वो एक तरह से स्टार बन जाएगा डूड. ओके, बिकॉज ही इज अ ब्लैक पर्सन. ओके, लाइक इंडियन ब्लैक और अफ्रीकन ब्लैक में फ़र्क है. इंडियन ब्लैक में थोड़ा सा हल्का सा एक तरह से ग्लो होता है, अफ्रीकन ब्लैक में कतई ग्लो नहीं होता, इट्स क्लीन ब्लैक. ओके, और इंडिया में आ जाए ना डूड, लाइक उसका लाइक ही लाइक काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग रियली फील्स लाइक दैट कि हाँ चलो कोई ना कुछ आया है वगैरह वगैरह. एंड ऑल्सो वन थिंग ना, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट, अगर ब्लैक कलर के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं रिगार्डिंग अबाउट द अफ्रीकन पीपल एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट, देयर इज़ अ वन थिंग आई नोटिस रिगार्डिंग दिस. लाइक आई एम नॉट एक्चुअली डिस्क्रिमिनेटिंग थिंग्स लाइक दैट, बट उनका फैशन सेंस क्या कमाल का होता है यार डूड, कमाल. उनका 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 लाइक बेसिकली ना, आई डोंट नो, वाइट पीपल में कोई चेहरा नहीं होता यार. लाइक 10 में से करीब हार्डली 2-3 चेहरे होते हैं जो ठीक ठाक होते हैं, बाकी 7-8 चेहरे तो बस उनके जस्ट कलर प्लस वाइट है. बट जब ब्लैक में होते हैं ना, उनके चेहरे क्या लाइक गजब होते हैं यार. लाइक उनका चेहरा एक्चुअली चेहरा होता है. ओके, दे हैव काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग रियली प्लेसमेंट ऑफ देयर आईज एंड नोज एंड माउथ. दिस इज रियली गुड द वे दैट लाइक उनकी तो जॉ लाइन भी दिखती है डूड, उनकी दाढ़ी का कमाल की आती है. दे हैव काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग रियली बॉल्ड हेयर. लाइक बेसिकली ना, आई लाइक उनके 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 हेयर स्टाइल ना, दे डोंट रियली हैव दैट मच काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग रियली बिग हेयर. सम पीपल हैव इट, बट मोस्ट ऑफ पीपल हैव काइंड ऑफ लिटिल बिट ऑफ बोल्ड लाइक आर्मी कट. वो ब्लैक पीपल में कमाल के ही होते हैं यार. लाइक दे हैव लाइक अ वेरी गुड ऑफ फैशन सेंस एंड कलर. दे लुक्स लाइक जो भी कपड़े पहनते ना डूड, कमाल. Like I am actually telling all those things regarding, like I haven't really seen any black person in my life entire, and I just only seen black people in the movies and web series. So I was bitterly this comment is actually bitterly influenced by all those things. So yeah, but like, this movie is actually really moved me a little bit. Okay, like it actually says me that कि हाँ ऐसा होता है. Like India में, like in India, does we have that much kind of like a discrimination? Oh no, we don't really like the where I live. We don't really have that much discrimination. We have should we say discrimination? Like I don't know. We have kind of like something really arakshan, but this arakshan is kind of like something with discrimination. Okay, discrimination का meaning क्या होता है? Discrimination का meaning होता है कि there is a one person, there is a two person, kind of like a something really equal, but one person is getting so much value than B person, but A and B person are both the same, but still A person getting too much value regarding whatever it is. Okay, so usually US यूरोप में वाइट पीपल में वो प्रिविलेज है कि उनको ज़्यादा ये नहीं किया जाता, उनको ज़्यादा क्रिटिसाइज या उनको ज़्यादा कलर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, नो, दे आर काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग रियली वेरी सेफ स्पॉट. In India, we have kind of like something really discrimination regarding caste, Arakshan. Okay, so usually SC, ST, जो बैकग्राउंड जो दलित समाज के लोग हैं उनके लिए हमारे गवर्नमेंट में एक स्पेसिफिक कोटा दिया है. ओके, स्पेसिफिक कोटा फॉर SC, ST वगैरह वगैरह. So like basically there is a two person, there is a one person who got 83%, another person got 73%, um, but 83% is from open category. What is open category? Open category is actually like a like a like Hindu and मुस्लिम एंड लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स. ओके, बुद्धिस्ट वगैरह ऑल सभी उसमें आ जाते हैं. दलित में आ जाते हैं SC, ST, आदिवासी वगैरह, ऑल दिस थिंग्स. ओके, सो इफ़ यू आर इन दिस काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग रियली दैट बैकवर्ड क्लास, ओके, तो यू हैव अ प्रिविलेज दैट कि अगर उस कॉलेज का कट ऑफ है करीब 84 और आपको 74 मिले हैं, फिर भी आपको एडमिशन मिल जाती है क्योंकि यू हैव दैट काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ रिजर्वेशन फॉर दैट कॉलेज रिगार्डिंग सम स्पेसिफिक सीट. ओके, उसमें भी कंपटीशन होगा. अगर आपका कंपटीशन में उसका नंबर आ जाता है, सो या you will be get into the college required 84 cutoff, but you are getting there if like you have 74, still you can get it that college. So yeah, ये kind of like a discrimination, but no, like I don't really say is a discrimination क्योंकि like क्या होता है ना कि हमारे इंडिया में डिस्क्रिमिनेशन भी बहुत है. ओके, नॉट रिगार्डिंग द कलर, रिगार्डिंग द कास्टिज्म. ओके, सो हमारे इंडिया में एज अ ब्राह्मण, ओके, ब्राह्मण एंड क्षत्रिय, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द हिस्ट्री थिंग. अभी तो पता नहीं होता है लाइक आई हैवंट रियली सीन लाइक द वेयर आई लिव इज नथिंग रियली हैपन ओवर हियर, बट like I'm talking about like 100 years ago. Okay, so usually हमारे इंडिया में ब्राह्मण, क्षत्रिय, देन ऐसे जाति होते हैं जो काफ़ी उच्च मानी जाती है, धर्मगुरु वगैरह काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स लाइक दैट. फिर आते हैं व्यापारी वगैरह वगैरह, फिर ये मिडल में आते हैं. देन देयर इज़ अ SC, ST कैटेगरी के लोग, यानी दलित वर्गीय लोग, जो पहले के ज़माने में उनको लोगों के साथ उठना बैठना भी लाजमी नहीं था. दे हैव टू like they have to do some sort of very shitty stuff. Okay, I don't know, but they are actually kind of like a gulam or things like that. Okay, so yeah, this actually happened like a way before 100 years ago and things like that. So uh, so जब लाइक हमारे इंडिया में ऐसे बहुत सारे सिर्फ फ्रीडम फाइटर थे, लाइक हमारे इंडिया में डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब अम्बेडकर, ही इज़ ऑल्सो ए फ्रीडम फाइटर फॉर दिस dalit caste and things like that. So usually they propose a particular amendment on the constitution that ki in our constitution we have a rights, we have means like that ki dalit and backward liberty people have a rights to have some sort of arakshan in government quota. Okay, like is there is 100%, then 10% is actually meant for that backward compatibility because they are also a part of this India. And if they didn't really grow, like if we didn't really give the arakshan, then most of the top layer of the people like brahman and things like that, they will not go even further, they will not reach to the top circle in the running the country वगैरह वगैरह. So basically Baba Saheb Ambedkar and all those Dalit work people, they actually create amendment on the constitution, and then things happen, this Arakshan वगैरह वगैरह. So is this Arakshan is actually work? Yeah, it is actually work. Okay, like most of the Dalit work people is actually very lifted up. Okay, काफी education हुआ. Like my father is actually, like my father is also bitterly Dalit, or I am also Dalit. Dalit तो नहीं कहेंगे, but yeah, in SC category, because of this amendment, because of this law and things like that, my माझे मोठे वडील, like my father's big brother, okay, we called मोठे वडील, okay, they have opportunity to crack UPSC, and after the UPSC they went to the DRDO. DRDO is a defense and research technology department in India, okay. So they became a scientist, okay. My father became a teacher, all right, and then we have kind of like something really very beautiful life because of this amendment and things like that. My grandfather is actually kind of like a something really in Dalit work, like he did kind of like a some sort of servant work at very big people, okay. So yeah, he did a servant, okay, but my मोठे वडील and father became get the education, and they will become something really even more further, okay. So this Arakshan is actually lifted, but it will not be constant. Sometimes, someday, it will Arakshan will go down, or like the in the amendment it will change for some sort of time, and who know what would happen. But yeah, but this is the kind of like a something like discrimination we have regarding the caste, okay. So I didn't really get any kind of like a something like discrimination in my entire life, so I didn't really know about this caste and color discrimination, okay. But if some sort of people are actually facing this kind of like a discrimination, they have something really very big story. All right, so this is it. I just wanted to talk about this color and things like that. This movie is actually really moved me a lot. I was thinking about this because it's a human perspective, na, and it's a human perspective, and what is exactly the things, and yeah. So this is it. Then thank you. Bye bye now.